Sheldon, what would actually happen if all the electrons in your body vanished for just 1 second? Would you survive, or is this a total disaster scenario?
Penny, if every electron in your body disappeared, even for an instant, the result would be catastrophic on a scale that makes supernovas look tame. Electrons are fundamental to the structure of atoms. They orbit the positively charged nuclei and create all the chemical bonds necessary for molecules, like those that make up your DNA, proteins, and frankly, your flesh. If electrons vanished, all atoms would collapse into tiny, ultra-dense nuclei held together purely by the strong nuclear force. Every molecule in your body, including water, proteins, and fats, would instantly cease to exist as distinct chemical structures. You wouldn't just lose consciousness, you would be obliterated at a subatomic level.
Okay, but if the electrons somehow returned after a second, would everything just go back to normal, or would something else weird happen?
In theory, if all your original electrons magically reappeared exactly as they were, and the nuclei hadn't dispersed or fused in the meantime, your atoms could, in principle, reassemble. But realistically, during that second, the positive nuclei, no longer repelled by electrons, would collapse inward, likely fusing together or releasing massive amounts of energy. You'd probably create a miniature explosion of nuclear reactions, with some nuclei fusing and others scattering. The odds of your body spontaneously reassembling are functionally zero. In short, you would not just die, you'd cease to exist as a recognizable pattern of matter and information. Quantum thought experiments like this show just how crucial electrons are to your very existence. To visualize and explore more wild, scientifically accurate scenarios, keep following brain rot lessons for a front row seat to the weirdest physics the universe has to offer.